welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about my current skincare routine and some facial masks that I've been using and loving. Using this product here, it is by Siberian Treasure and it's their Amaranth Pure Cold Pressed Organic Oil, and this stuff is amazing. It's really great for the skin and the hair, and it's also an edible oil, so it is actually really beneficial for you internally. But today I'm going to talk about 3 facial masks that I've been using on the regular using this ingredient here, and I'm just going to go through and tell you what they are and also my favorite one as well. So to tell you a little bit about the benefits of this oil for your skin, it's a non-comedogenic. Unlike a lot of oils, this one actually soaks into the skin super fast, so it penetrates into your skin deep down and quickly, so it doesn't leave that oily residue, and in doing so, any wrinkles on your face, it does a really good job at just smoothing those out and giving you a much more youthful complexion. It's also super duper hydrating. You can also use this oil as a makeup remover. It's really great at removing like stubborn eye makeup and lip stains and stuff like that. So if you just have like a little cotton ball or a makeup wipe, just put a little bit of oil on there, rub it over your face, and it will just remove your makeup really easily. So the first mask I'm going to talk about is the lemon mask with the amaranth oil, and this one is my favorite. All you need are equal parts of the oil and a little bit of lemon juice, mix them together, apply it to your face, leave on for 15 minutes, and it's going to rejuvenate your skin, smooth it out, and also brighten your skin as well, giving you that wide awake, lighter complexion. The next mask is the honey mask, and all you need for this recipe is equal parts honey and equal parts oil. You just heat up a little bit of the honey, mix it in with the oil, apply it to your skin, and this one you want to leave on for about 30 minutes, and this mask will not only soften your skin but deeply hydrate it as well. And being that honey is also a natural anti-inflammatory, the honey mixed in with the oil is going to be a power booster for your skin, so that's really going to help you if your skin is prone to being inflamed or a little bit red. It's really going to calm that right down. So the last mask is the avocado mask. Now all you need for this one is a teaspoon of your amaranth oil and half of a ripe avocado, and then add a little pinch of starch, and that will give it a nice creamy thick consistency. Mash it all up, mix it all together, apply it to your skin, and all you need to do is leave that one on for 20 minutes, rinse off, and this one is also really hydrating for your skin as well. So this mask is perfect for the winter time, especially if you have super dry skin or flaky skin. This mask is going to be great for you. So if you're not into masks or you don't have time for facial masks, then you can just add a few drops of this to your regular facial or body moisturizer, and it's going to hydrate your skin tenfold. So just add a few drops of this to your daily skincare routine when you apply your facial moisturizer in the morning and the nighttime. It's great for both your morning and nighttime routine, especially because I am a huge person that loves to hydrate their body. I hydrate head to toe every single day. If you've been following my blog or following me for a long time, you would know that. I've always said that, and just adding this oil just ups the ante and just hydrates the skin and makes it so much softer. Seriously, it is just amazing. And because this is so natural and organic, you know you're doing good things for your skin and for your body. And as always, I'll have links down below where you can purchase this oil and any other info that you might be interested to find out about this oil. It's super great, and I highly recommend trying it out. It has just upped my skincare routine to the next level. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!